In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this trending AI image on your smartphone. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Open your browser and search for bing.com. Change your site to desktop site. Zoom in and click Images. Zoom in and click on Create. Paste your prompt in the box. Prompt used will be available in the description. After pasting the prompt, click on Create, but if you don't have account with Microsoft Bing, you will be asked to do so. Wait while your image is creating. Your image is now generated. You can download by clicking on the image. Download by clicking on the download menu. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.